Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna explain to you how to create the two most important flows when it comes to email marketing. If you're here, I don't need to explain the value that email marketing provides your business, so I'll jump straight into how to create the two most important flows, which are welcome series and abandoned cart emails. When it comes to welcome series, every business is different, so you need to structure the emails in a different way. I'm gonna give you the basic structure that we're going by for all of our clients, and then you can make your adjustments depending on your business, depending on your offers, and depending on the type of products that you're selling. So the structure I'm gonna give you are based on 5 emails, and the first email is basically giving the value that you have promised on your pop-up, either being free shipping or discount code or an ebook. The first email purpose is only to provide what you have promised people on your pop-up for them to subscribe to your email list and give you their email. In our case here, we're giving them a 15% discount code, and we also give them some recommendations when it comes to best-selling products that they can use the discount code for. This email is sent immediately after people sign up through your pop-up. The next email is going to be sent after 1 day, and there is a conditional split. If people did not open the first email in the past 24 hours, the first email gets resent again. This serves as a reminder for people who didn't manage to open their email, or for example the email went to spam, or they got busy and they forgot about the email. This is just a reminder to people that you have given them the offer, 15% off, 10% off, free shipping, whatever you have done on your pop-up. Then after 2 days, we send the third email. In the third email, we give them the best subcategories. So for this client, for example, we show them the vintage collection, we show them the turquoise collection, and we show them the sterling silver collection. On the bottom, we also add customer reviews, which adds social proof, and that's about it for the third email. After 2 days, we send the fourth email, and in the fourth email, we show them some of the products they have viewed on our website in the past 7 days. This can be done very easily on Klaviyo with dynamic products. And after 2 days, we send the last and fifth email, which is basically explaining more about the brand, about the owner, giving a little bit of back history, how it came that they created the business, how they started the business, some of our goals, and a little bit of information when it comes to our products. So this is basically how we have structured the welcome series for one of our clients. Then when it comes to abandoned cart email flow, this is how we have structured the abandoned cart flow for this client. The first email gets sent after 30 minutes of them abandoning your cart, and it serves just as a reminder that they left something in their cart that they can go back and complete their purchase. The second email gets sent after 2 hours, and you would notice that with the abandoned cart flows, we send the emails a lot more frequently than the welcome series. And the purpose of the abandoned cart email flow is to push people to go back to your website and complete their purchase while they are still interested. If you decide to send abandoned cart emails after 1 or 2 or 3 days, people would have already lost interest, or they would have bought something from a different business. So you need to get them while they're in a shopping mode, and you can also push them with some offers, which we're doing in our second email. In the second email, again, we're showcasing the products that they have added to their cart, but we also give them a 15% off discount code. Then the third email gets sent after 2 hours, and the third email is last chance. And what we basically say in the third email is both the code and your cart are about to expire. Last chance to save everything in your cart, use the code below before it expires. And then we give them the code, and we also show them the products that they have added to their cart. And that's about it. This is how you can create welcome series and abandoned cart flow, which are the most important flows in my opinion when it comes to online businesses. And yep, that's about it. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I have also created a free training which you can get access to in the comments below. The free training provides you with how to structure your Facebook ads, how to do email marketing, and how to optimize your website. All of the training is free, and you can access it from the comment section below. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.